Now I would request Ms. Pushp Gupta, Advocate Supreme Court of India and International Mediator, to please come on stage and share some of her knowledge to the audience. Please welcome her. Let's have a big round of applause.
Good afternoon, everyone. And I will not pardon you for giving me this slot, which is the most riskiest of all the slots just before the lunch, because I can pick up from the non-verbal clues of everyone that everybody is looking at their watch and just thinking what lies outside for our lunch, But I will not take much time because I value everyone's time. And there's not much for me to share. But with whatever little I will share with you all is my concern that you all being the masters or the or the learners in IPR, the words which echo as an advocate in our mind, in and around us is damages and injunctions. Can we look for any alternate route to get what we want quite early in the litigation? And I'm here to spread that. That is called as mediation. In most of the IPR related disputes, lawyers have their all the civil suits ready in their computers, their laptops, they change party's name, then we have big bill coming up from the lawyers for the conference, engaging senior, filing, then playing strategies how to just evolve. My young friends are looking here, but I'm going to collect ambassadors of mediation from here. I'm into profession from 94, but my life completely changed in last 12 years the day I went for 40 hours mediation training. It in fact has improved my advocacy skills. These are life transforming skills. You start valuing things what are more important to now than looking for something which is unpredictable for future. So that allowed me to value my time and value the time and money of my client. And I then send them to a different alternate route, which is through arbitration also. We have arbitration clause in various IPR related agreements. But my dear young friends, it is just for you. My request to you is, it's good to have a specialization in this field, because you cannot participate in mediation. Also, mediation is a negotiation process which required lot of trade-off or bargain. Until and unless you don't have a legal competence in this field, you will not be able to do justice for your clients. But definitely from here onwards, just try if you can get them the relief well in time, because injunction costs lot many years and lot of cost. It's people start from district court, then to higher up in high court, and then Supreme Court. So nothing goes for the lawyer. I know it's a luxury combo package for tourism package for lawyers, but for our clients it is not so. So let us owe our duty to our clients and think of incorporating mediation clause in various IP related agreements. We can think of within the organizations, we can have 40 hours mediation training just for the advocates, the law researchers in the organizations, and even experts of this field, because they will be empowered with the skills by which they can sit back and think that something which my client will get in 10, 12 years can actually get in few months with less of cost and with win-win situation. That is the power. So from here onward, I'm so thankful. Now, Satish, I must convey my gratitude to you and Dinesh for calling me to this. I did spoke to Dinesh and I said, ki bhaiya, now you know that Pusshp Gupta speaks more about mediation than about advocacy. I just beat the drum in and around mediation. It's a passion for me. So he said, we want you to introduce. It has already been happening in High Court. Matter is being referred to mediation for IPR related copyright, trademark, licensing agreement, and after Commercial Court Act, when it's made mandatory to go for pre-litigation mediation for all your commercial disputes, and it includes IPR disputes also. And during pandemic, it had a bright side, though there was e-commerce earlier also, but we have had more e-transactions. So you have no jurisdiction issues. You don't have to incur cost of traveling cross borders. it's simply easy for us to appoint anyone outside our country and can resolve our disputes from different countries. So the power is without boundaries, not within the four walls, but it's much larger than that. And now, if you permit, I can say that goodbye. I am also hungry. We'll sit back for lunch, and in case time permit us sometime later, we can have just one conference for mediation in IPR. I should respect the smile on your face and let it be intact, and let's just come and see what lies for us in the lunch. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. And I would like to thank all the audience who's present here. I mean, no audience can be that much beautiful, like I would say. So, एक बार जोरदार तालियां आप अपने लिए बजा दो यार. Now it's time for the vote of thanks, and after that we'll went for the lunch. So, with the heavy heart, I mean, we have been putting a lot of efforts to organize this conclave and working hard just to make this a big success. And I think I'm just looking at people who are sitting here and smiling and gaining some knowledge from these, huge and eminent personalities. It itself is a success for us. So thank you, NASCAP. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to become the part of this foundation and work day and night to make this event a success. Moving on, respected chief guest, honorable guest of honor, all the dignitaries on the stage, and ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank all of you to come here to spare your pricey time and be here. So thank you so much. And I would like to thank all the people, known or unknown hands who have been helping us to make this event a huge success. So a huge round of applause for our guest and you guys. Now, as I can see, like lunch kab chalna hai. So let's go for the lunch. We have a lunch break and then you can leave for the day. And let's hope and pray that we meet sometime again. So it's a lunch break. Thank you so much, everyone.